Hey guys, welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can cancel your reservation on Airbnb. So let's jump right into it. First, open the Airbnb website on your browser or download the app on mobile. Make sure you're signed in. Then click on Profile section and scroll a bit and click on Trips and click on the trip that you book, and once you scroll down, you will see the page appearing. You will see Cancel Reservation. When canceling a reservation on Airbnb, first check the host's cancellation policy. Refunds depend on whether it's flexible, moderate, or strict. If you cancel within 48 hours of booking and your check-in is at least 14 days away, you might get a full refund. However, canceling close to your check-in date often means a partial or no refund, and Airbnb's service fee may not be returned. Always cancel through the app or website by going to Trips and selecting your reservation. Be sure to notify your host as well. It's respectful and may help if you need flexibility. Refunds usually reflect in your account within 5-10 business days.